Hello and welcome to the new video. In the last video we built the Lego Dimensions starter pack, but the one thing we didn't build was Batman's vehicle. You can see him on the toy pad. And that's what we're going to be doing now. So we're going to be starting off with this, and we're going to just fix this brick to it. I can't bring that any closer. And then there's this long brick there. I know you can hear the pages. Building was part of playing the game. That's why there's a different background. So I'm going to turn this yellow brick over. I'm going to fix these two black bricks on the back and fix these over. Now I'm going to fix these on. Here is where we fix the other. So let's reach over. So it should be beginning to look like a Batmobile. It's called the Batmobile. It should look like the Batmobile soon. And I'm only saying soon. So, we need these, and we're going to slide them. They need to be slid together. So, what next? We'll need to build this. And put this over the top. And this goes on this hinge. So we need these two curved black bricks. Oh, that one was going on the wrong way round. So we need to add. So this one goes at the back. This one goes next. And this one goes at the front. So we're going to need a few more bricks now. We're going to start off with this. And then we're going to add these at the front. And also this one brick at the back. So we need some of these. Oh, I've got two bat ranks which go on these hooks. Did you wonder what went on these hooks? I think you did. Now, turning it around, and we're going to put on this. These. So, now, I'm going to add the wheels. So, here's one. Here's a second. I'm going around the other side. A third. And the fourth. And look at it. Now, obviously it needs its base, or else it wouldn't be from Lego Dimensions. So it's got a 2x2 base rather than the 1x2 base you see on characters. Vehicles have a bigger base. And here's the Batmobile. So, if you enjoyed this build, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I am going to test out the characters in a level. The characters on the Batmobile, of course. So, until then, I'm going to upgrade this Batmobile to show you the 2 other models you can make out of this. As I said, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And give me a comment down below. Please give me a like, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll be back with a 3rd video. This was my 2nd. My 3rd video very shortly.